I remember my first time walking through the doors pretty vividly here at BENU. I was justice impacted, meaning I was in jail for 3 months and I was court ordered released to BENU while my case was pending. And when I walked in, I immediately felt welcomed.
I believe the work at BENU is incredibly important because of 2 reasons. The people that are serving here, so it's always about the people. Who's serving the folks, what is it intentional behind it? And then the second piece is the programming piece. All the programming that is here, making sure people are transforming and making sure they're healing within, from the food that's being prepared all the way to the programs that are being introduced to them and the healing that's happening.
I also think it's important that we see each and every person as a guest. We see them that they are worth the effort. They're worth the time to say, hey, you look much better than you do right now. You're somewhere in the future.
Acquiring this building and making it a place for our community is really a full circle moment. It's now a place where people who have been economically marginalized, like my mom, people who have no hope because of the type of systems that we have in Seattle and King County, and who have been left broken and seeking a relief from drugs just to relieve the pain, or who have been rejected from their communities, who have been living outside, a place where they can walk in and feel like they are at home, a place where they can walk in and feel like they have dignity, a place where they can walk in and feel like they have hope. To me, that means everything, and it's a very special place.
It's bigger than us. So if you want to understand anything, understand that this is their lives. So the impact that we're giving them right now, the men, the guests, this community, is going to help the next generation. So if we can pour into them right now, just imagine what this world can be